So over the past 2 or 3 years, we've developed our own internal system that's unique and tailored to what we do as a payments company called XPay that's just been released in the past couple of weeks, and we're really excited about it. It's changed how we process our payment flow and how the clients interact with us, all the way from client interaction with the trading desk out through the operations team and how they process the payments to the local banks. And yeah, we continue to invest a lot in the technology side, which is obviously key for what we're trying to do. And then another thing I think that makes us unique is as far as the FIG initiative goes as well, is we've got a SWIFT bureau in-house, and a lot of the banks that are SWIFT members are in this huge process that has been ongoing for the past couple of years to upgrade into the new ISO 20022 formats, which is the kind of free XML format, which has much more data for each payment that comes through. So that team is busy helping a lot of banks upgrade their technology, which is a real challenge, especially for the smaller banks that may not have the technology budgets that they need to allocate to that particular product. So those guys are staying busy with helping those banks upgrade to the new ISO 22 format. That's something that's keeping us all very busy as well.
Well, I think that the SWIFT transition has brought in more bank counterparties and clients than we ever anticipated.
Yeah.
And I think, as to your point, is that every time there's a change in any system, any rules, any regulation, any process, that's difficult. There's an opportunity for us to step in and provide that service and become that sticky counterparty and client. And I think you both mentioned about technology and and having the technology that keeps us in the game, because sometimes you've got a situation where you're rolling out technology just to keep up, and that's not a good position to be in. We are aggressively rolling out technology to stay ahead, and using APIs into banks to make us even stickier, and getting the likes of Fiserv, who we just announced the relationship with, which gets us into a broader client base of their ERP programs, that gives us that connectivity and longevity of relationship, just because you're routing everything through a provider that has the connectivity with the underlying banks and community banks. Just solidifies that overall relationship. So technology is vital to our business and the future of our business, as well as providing a great service, providing relevant products and breadth of products. So we've got, hopefully it makes sure we never get to the point of complacency, and always thinking of, right, what's next? And I think that's been part of the success of StoneX as a whole, is us saying, right, great, well done, what's next? You rolled out something new, excellent, great, what's next? And I think that will be the secret of our continued and future success, is never losing that attitude